Inkjet Printer. The Inkjet Printer is the most commonly found printer in homes and small offices worldwide, recognized for its ability to produce high-quality color prints at a relatively affordable purchase price. It works by propelling tiny droplets of liquid ink through microscopic nozzles onto paper, building up an image one line at a time as the printhead moves back and forth across the page. The ink is stored in replaceable cartridges, typically a black cartridge and a color cartridge containing cyan, magenta, and yellow inks that combine to produce the full spectrum of colors. Inkjet printers excel at printing photographs and graphics, where smooth color gradients and fine detail are important. Their main weakness is the ongoing cost of replacement ink cartridges, which can make the per-page cost of inkjet printing surprisingly high compared to the initial price of the printer itself.
Laser printer. Laser printers use an entirely different technology from inkjet printers, employing a laser beam to create an electrostatic image on a rotating drum, which then attracts powdered toner that is fused permanently onto the paper using heat and pressure. This process produces sharp, precise text at high speeds that inkjet printers cannot match, making laser printers the preferred choice in busy offices where large volumes of documents are printed daily. The cost per page for laser printing is significantly lower than inkjet once the initial investment in the printer is made. Monochrome laser printers that print only in black and white are among the most cost-effective printing solutions available, while color laser printers extend the technology to full color output at speeds that still surpass most inkjet alternatives.
All-in-one printer. All-in-one printers, also called multifunction printers, combine printing, scanning, copying, and often faxing capabilities into a single device. This consolidation of multiple office functions into one machine saves desk space, reduces equipment costs, and simplifies the number of devices that need to be maintained and supplied with consumables. Most modern all-in-one printers connect wirelessly to home and office networks, allowing multiple computers and mobile devices to send print jobs without any physical cable connection. The scanning functionality enables documents and photographs to be digitized directly from the machine and sent to a computer, email address, or cloud storage service. All-in-one printers are available in both inkjet and laser variants across a wide range of price points, making them the most popular printer category for both home and small business use. Photo printer. Photo printers are specialized devices engineered specifically to produce photographic prints with color accuracy, tonal range, and image permanence that general-purpose inkjet printers cannot consistently achieve. They use 6, 8, or more ink colors, including multiple shades of gray, light cyan, light magenta, and specialty inks, to reproduce the subtle gradations and fine detail characteristic of professional photographs. Dedicated photo printers can output prints that, when stored properly, resist fading for decades, making them suitable for archival quality photographic work. Professional photographers use large format photo printers to produce exhibition quality prints. Consumer photo printers range from compact snapshot printers that produce small format prints directly from a smartphone to full-featured desktop models capable of printing at various standard photographic paper sizes. 3D printer. A 3D printer builds physical three-dimensional objects layer by layer from digital design files, a process called additive manufacturing because material is added progressively rather than subtracted as in traditional machining. Consumer desktop 3D printers most commonly use fused deposition modeling, where a spool of plastic filament is melted and extruded through a heated nozzle that traces the cross-section of each layer onto the build platform. Industrial 3D printers use a wider range of materials and processes, including metal powder sintering, resin curing, and ceramic deposition, to produce functional parts for aerospace, medical, and automotive applications. The technology has transformed rapid prototyping, allowing designers and engineers to produce physical models of their designs within hours. Consumer interest in 3D printing has grown substantially, with hobby-grade printers now available at prices comparable to a mid-range inkjet printer. Thermal printer. Thermal printers produce output by applying heat to specially coated paper that darkens where exposed, requiring no ink, toner, or ribbons. Two main types exist: direct thermal printers that heat the paper directly, and thermal transfer printers that use a heated ribbon to transfer ink onto standard paper or labels. Direct thermal printers are widely used for receipts at retail checkouts, shipping labels, parking tickets, and lottery tickets. The characteristic receipt paper from cash registers and ATMs is direct thermal paper. While the printing cost is very low due to the absence of ink consumables, direct thermal prints can fade when exposed to heat, sunlight, or certain chemicals, which limits their suitability for archival applications. Thermal transfer printing is more durable and is commonly used for product labels and barcodes that must withstand harsh storage or shipping conditions. Label printer. Label printers are dedicated devices designed specifically to produce adhesive labels for packaging, organization, shipping, barcodes, and identification purposes. They are used extensively in warehouses, retail environments, healthcare facilities, and offices where consistent, professional labeling is required at volume. Most label printers use thermal printing technology, either direct thermal for short-term labels or thermal transfer for durable, long-lasting labels. Desktop label printers from brands like Dymo and Brother are popular in home offices for address labels, filing systems, and cable management. Industrial label printers handle larger label rolls and print at higher speeds to meet the demands of warehouse and manufacturing environments. Barcode printers are a specialized category of label printer that generates machine-readable barcodes and QR codes used throughout retail and logistics supply chains. Wide format printer. Wide format printers, also called large format printers, are designed to print on media wider than the standard maximum width of conventional desktop printers, typically handling materials from 24 inches to several meters wide. They are used to produce banners, posters, trade show graphics, architectural drawings, vehicle wraps, window displays, and fine art prints that require sizes impossible to achieve on standard printers. Professional wide format printers use inkjet technology with pigment-based inks that offer excellent color accuracy and outdoor durability. Architectural and engineering firms use wide format printers to produce technical drawings and blueprints at full scale. The print speed of wide format printers is measured in square meters per hour rather than pages per minute, reflecting the fundamentally different scale at which they operate. Dot matrix printer. The dot matrix printer was the dominant office printing technology before laser and inkjet printers became affordable, and despite its age, it continues to serve specific purposes where other printer technologies cannot. It works by striking an ink-soaked ribbon with a grid of small pins to form characters and images on paper, producing a distinctive mechanical noise during operation. The impact printing mechanism allows dot matrix printers to print through multiple layers of carbon copy paper simultaneously, making them irreplaceable in applications that require multi-part forms, invoices, delivery notes, bank transaction records, and government documents where a physical duplicate copy must be produced at the moment of printing. Banks, airlines, and government offices in many countries still rely on dot matrix printers for these specific multi-part printing requirements, despite the technology being over 50 years old.
Inkless Printer. Inkless printers produce prints without any ink, toner, or ribbon consumables by using alternative physical or chemical processes to create images on specially treated paper or surfaces. Zinc technology, which stands for zero ink, embeds cyan, yellow, and magenta dye crystals directly into the paper during manufacturing, which are then selectively activated by heat from the printer to produce full-color prints without any separate ink supply. Polaroid and HP Sprocket instant photo printers use zinc technology to produce small-format prints from smartphones without any consumables beyond the special paper itself. Other inkless technologies under development use UV light, pressure, or electrical stimulation to mark specially treated media. The appeal of inkless printing lies in the elimination of ongoing ink costs and the convenience of not needing to replace cartridges, making these printers particularly popular as portable consumer photo printing devices.
That covers all the types of printers we have for you today. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple. We break down a new tech topic every single week. Drop a comment below and tell us, which type of printer do you use? See you in the next one.